This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. Every EAS participates will be following activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We have interrupted your normal programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the North American Aerospace Defense Command. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, as this pertains to an ongoing global crisis. At 12:00 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected a launch of 300 nuclear missiles from Iran, and they're expected to impact the United States within the next 5 minutes. Since these missiles have been discovered at such a late time, all that we can do now is head to a fallout shelter since there is no time to hesitate. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in death. Never look at the flash outside, or you'll be blind. Please stay tuned for the playing of our national anthem. God bless America. April Fools, you idiots. There are no missiles at all. Oh come on, don't be sour. It was just a prank, bro. Hey. Wait a minute, who are those people at the door? Oh crap, I'm screwed.
FBI, open up!